Hi, I'm Alia. So today I have a video for you guys about talking about the weather in a place that you're in, right? So I live in Ljubljana and you can ask me kakšno je vreme v Ljubljani. So kakšno means what kind, je is, vreme is the weather, u means in, Ljubljani is Ljubljana, so the capital of Slovenia. So one more time, kakšno je vreme v Ljubljani. So what is the weather like in Ljubljana? And I can say danes, so today. Danes je sončno. Today it is sunny. Alright, so danes, today, je, is, sončno, sunny. Okay, one more time. Kakšno je vreme v Ljubljani? Danes je sončno. Today it is sunny. Right, but let's say you live in New York and I check the weather, it should be raining there. So I would ask you, kakšno je vreme v New Yorku? And you can answer, deževno je, or danes je deževno. So today it is rainy, or if you just want to skip today, so danes, you can say deževno je. Okay, so deževno means rainy. So one more time, kakšno je vreme v New Yorku? Danes je deževno. Today it is rainy, right? And let's put another place, so where it's foggy. I think London is usually foggy. So, alright, I'll ask you. Kakšno je vreme v Londonu? What is the weather like in London? Danes je megleno. Today it is foggy. Right? So, megleno. Right? Danes je megleno. Today it is foggy. And without danes, you could just respond with megleno je. It is foggy. Alright, so this was a quick video about the weather. If you have any more ideas what video I should do next, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Ciao ciao!